Hello and welcome back to my channel, Breathing Gratitude in association with 360 Degrees Solution. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach, and Mentor. Now, this morning I want to bring to you something very unique on money attraction techniques. We all love money, don't we? And when it comes to money, remember money is a good master but a bad slave. People have very different perspectives about money. When you need money, when you have money to be attracted to you, you need to have a relationship with money. Once you have a relationship, you establish a relationship with money, you will see how money finds its way to you. I'll make that very simple. I keep all my videos simple so that people in India, across the globe, find it easy to execute. It's a very step by step process, and I'll take you through this in this video itself. What I'm going to share with you is called money aroma therapy. Money aroma. Aroma is all about smell. It's one of your key senses. See how you see, smell how you smell, feel how you feel. Right? So the see, the feel, and the smell is very important. Now, in money aromatherapy, it's a simple process of taking notes like this. You see a 2000, you see some 500s with me. Okay, I've done this exercise before I could start this video because it's part of my morning ritual as well. So I'll take you through exactly what I do. Now, when you are in this exercise, you've got to be in the right alignment with your vibrations. When I say right alignment with your vibrations, you've got to vibrate from prosperity. You cannot vibrate with lack. Believe what you're doing right now, all that money has already come to you. You've got to believe that because the key ingredient of law of attraction, first, you're asking anyway, then you believe. Third, you've got to be ready to receive. Now, the second and third is where a lot of people falter. But I'll make sure that you watching this video do not falter. So, I told you got to be in the right alignment in your vibrations. Your vibration has to be from prosperity and not from lack. You've got to believe that you've already received this money. And finally, you've got to give gratitude. Gratitude is very important. A lot of people fail to do this. So let me take you straight into this exercise. You see the notes I've got again? I'll do this for you on this video itself. Okay? The first thing you got to do is smell the money. Wow. It smells good. I want to smell it again. Mind blowing. Oh, look at this money. Look at her. Beautiful. Look at the color. Where do you get this pink? Isn't she so attractive? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she lovely? Isn't she gorgeous? Look at this. Look at the color. Where will you get this color from? How articulate, how beautiful, how gorgeous. Something that I've not seen before. I want to smell this money again. I am so encouraged to do it. Do this with me if you are watching the video. I'll do that once. And a second time. Wow, I can't stop smelling the aroma of money. Now you see, the aroma you get from a 2000 rupee note is very distinct, different from a 500 rupee note. And trust me, it is. This smells so different. It's like as if you're smelling two perfume bottles. You suddenly will need the coffee beans because you've got to have your distinct smell. And this is really lovely. Now, once you smell the money, you've got to say something. I am one with a great deal of money. I am one with a great deal of money. I am one with a great deal of money. I am so thrilled. Thank you for coming into my life. Say it to the money. I am so thrilled for coming into my life. I am feeling so happy and good for bringing more of you into my life. I am feeling so happy and good for bringing more of you into my life. I am so ecstatic. Thank you for helping me pay all my bills and attend to my needs and wants without me worrying. You are so pretty, so beautiful, so gorgeous. I appreciate the flow of money in my life. Now feel that joy in your heart. As you're doing this, feel that joy. Enjoy it. Enjoy this journey. And as you experience this happening to you, stay in this joy and happiness for 17 seconds. Be there for 17 seconds. If you can prolong it beyond 17 seconds, wonderful. If you can take it to 34 seconds, voila. I love you for that. Now, when you're ending this recital, you've got to say these magic words. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. It is done. Now, once you do this, you're at the end of your ritual. You can do this first thing when you wake up in the morning. You can do this at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and 15 minutes before you go to bed, before you're going to sleep. You can say this. Because when you do it 3 times in a day, you're giving it so much of power. And when you give it so much of power, you're focusing on that. Remember, energy flows where focus goes. Now, you can find my videos on LinkedIn, Facebook pages, Twitter. You can also find me on YouTube. You will have my link of YouTube here down on your screen. Do share, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more such videos that I bring to you on money attraction. And if there is any specific video that you have that you want me to bring up to you, do put it in the comment section and be rest assured I will bring that to you. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes signing off, and I'll bring you more such videos on money attraction sooner than you can think. I'll see you around. Don't go away. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Keep sanitization as a top priority. And together, let's mug this bug called the coronavirus. Take care. Bye-bye. Ta-da.